Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Huawei Mobile Wi-Fi and confirming prerequisites: SIM with data and enough battery. Insert the SIM, close the tray, then press the power button until LEDs light. Once the device boots, observe the signal and Wi-Fi LEDs so you know the modem registered on a network. Next, on your phone, choose the SSID printed on the device label or scan its QR code to pair quickly. Make sure to use the default password first. You'll change it after connecting. Once connected, open the web UI at 168.1 or launch the Huawei app. Log in with the admin credentials. You should change the admin password and SSID immediately to secure your hotspot. Then choose the preferred network mode. Select LTE only for stability or auto for fallback. If you travel, enable roaming cautiously to manage costs. Also, switch bands to 5 GHz for faster local speeds when supported. Adjust DHCP settings if you need fixed addressing, and check for firmware updates to fix bugs and improve performance. To finish, optimize performance and set up monitoring. Use the app to view data usage, block unknown devices, and enable a guest SSID to protect your main network. If speeds drop, reboot the router or toggle airplane mode on your phone. Once done, check signal strength and try a different physical location or window for better reception. If nothing works, reset the SIM and test it in another hotspot or phone. As a last resort, perform a factory reset only after backing up settings and updating firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.